In this video, I'll show you the best static QR code generators for 2026. The right tools for QR codes that never need to change, so you don't overpay or overbuild for something that should be simple and free. Here's where most people get this wrong. They pick a QR code tool built for dynamic campaigns, trial periods, subscriptions, editable links, when all they actually need is a code that points to one thing: forever. That mismatch costs you two ways. Either you sign up for a free trial that quietly expires in 14 days, or you assume every generator is the same and end up with a code that looks fine on screen but fails to scan once it's printed. You can't unprint a flyer. If the tool you picked was never meant to stay free, your code dies with the trial. The fix starts with knowing which category your QR code actually belongs in. A static QR code has its destination encoded directly into the pattern itself. There's no server, no redirect, no account tied to it. It points to the same place forever, and it can't be edited or tracked after you create it. The one-sentence difference between the two is static codes are permanent and untrackable, while dynamic codes route through an editable link so you can change the destination and see scan data after printing. If your use case is permanent, a business card, a Wi-Fi sign, packaging that will never be reprinted, a static QR code is what you need. It is genuinely free, no subscription needed. Here are 5 tools that get that right. TQRCG, QRCode Generator Pro, QRCode Monkey, Canva, and Adobe Express. Now let's talk about them in details. TQRCG gives you unlimited static QR codes with no sign-up required across every major type: URL, text, email, phone, SMS, PDF, vCard, and more. Customization on the free plan includes brand colors, outer frame, and custom eye shapes. Downloads are feasible in PNG format for free. To create multiple QR codes and to add further layers of customization like logos and frames, you need to sign up for a free account. Second is QRCode Generator Pro from the team behind Bitly. It offers static QR codes across URL, vCard, plain text, Wi-Fi, and PDF, completely free and permanent once created. Customization includes dot patterns, frame styles, corner and eye shapes, and color options, enough to brand a code without paying anything. The trade-off, according to reviewers on G2, is that the customization panel feels more basic than some competitors, and support can be slow if something goes wrong. Still, for a plain static code you need in under 2 minutes, it does the job. But you have to sign up to download your static QR codes. Next is QRCode Monkey. It's a free, no-account-needed generator built specifically for one-off, permanent static codes. Think business cards, Wi-Fi access signs, or any asset where the destination will never change. It supports URL, text, email, phone, and location code types, with free gradient colors, custom body and eye shapes, and logo insertion. You can download the QR codes in PNG, SVG, EPS, and PDF format. Reviewers like that it's genuinely free, with no bait and switch, though the most common complaint is that once a code is printed, there's no way to fix or redirect it if something was set up wrong, because that's the nature of static codes. If you're already designing a flyer, business card, or social post inside Canva, its built-in QR code generator means you don't have to leave the editor. You access it through the app's marketplace, search QR code, paste in your URL, and it drops straight into your design. On the free plan, customization is limited to color, patterns, and corner or eye shape. There's no logo support. Downloads on the free plan come in PNG, JPG, and PDF. SVG export isn't available at this tier. It's also URL only, no Wi-Fi, vCard, or other code types. The trade-off of a Canva QR code is if the destination ever changes, you have to generate a brand new code and manually swap it into every file it appears in. Finally, Adobe Express offers the same idea inside its own ecosystem. Free static QR code creation, built into the same tool you'd use for flyers, business cards, and presentations. On the free plan, you get a set of preset color choices, style options, marker border and marker center, with downloads in PNG, JPEG, and PDF. It's also URL only, and SVG export isn't included at this tier. Like Canva, it's static only. Changing the destination later means creating an entirely new code from scratch. To summarize, the problem is simple: using the wrong category of tool for a QR code that was always meant to be permanent, and either assuming it needs a subscription or trusting a free trial that quietly expires and takes your printed materials down with it. The solution is matching the tool to the job. For unlimited free static codes with real design control, a scannability check, and vector downloads before you print, TQRCG covers it without a subscription. QRCode Generator Pro, QRCode Monkey, Canva, and Adobe Express each work too, depending on whether you want standalone customization or a code built right into a design tool you're already using. If this helped, hit subscribe. We cover practical QR code tips like this every week. See you in the next one.